Hi, I'm Simon, the other guy from Distill. I'm here today to show you some good Christmas ideas. Just recently, we've introduced our special kits, and I'm here to show them to you. Let's go behind the bar. Hola amigos! So here it is, the Margarita Kit. So, what comes with it? We've got the Margarita Mix by Mr. Consistent, which is made locally on the Gold Coast. Love this stuff. Try it out. We have all their flavors available through our website. The Distill shaker tins, the multi-level jigger, the strainer, and to garnish it, dried limes from Sunny's. And finally, what else do you need? You need 2 unbreakable glasses. We're ready to rock and roll. All you need to bring to the party is tequila. Yeah! Hey guys, so here it is, the kit ready to be posted. This gift can be sent to your home, or it can be sent straight to the gift recipient's place. If you have a special message you'd like to leave on the card, just let us know and we'll take care of that too. Treat your loved ones extra special this year. As you can see, the box is beautifully presented, and I don't know a grown-up who wouldn't be happy to get this one. The instructions to make the margarita are on the back of the Mr. Consistent bottle. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.